I have a question for you. Have it ever happened to you that whatever you do, you can't seem to type well? So, if you use VS Code, I have a huge tip for you. And you know what's the best part? Yes, it's free, of course, but it's only going to take you 5 minutes daily for you to be able to drastically increase your typing speed and accuracy. Of course, the more you practice, the better it is. So let's get right into it. So go on your Visual Studio Code, and there is an extension called Warm Up. First one itself, actually, it's not very well known. Warm up typing test. Improve your typing speed by practicing right inside your code editor. So let's do it. Run like fact, keep up. Use also words of we other with their early. I've not been typing a lot today, and right now I am warming up. And when I warm up with typing, this helps me type much better for more accurate and also quicker. Because if you're if you're more accurate, it will be quicker as well. And another interesting thing as well is that with that you can also track your progress. Yeah, you have different options. For example, so I'm typing 60 words per minute. My accuracy is 95. So normally I can type 100%. But before all of that, you might have this question: where does fast and accurate typing help you? Well, there is one way it does help you, and that is when you're in the flow as a writer or as a programmer, or even you're just writing an email. The more mistakes that you do, the more you need, the more effort it takes. You need to backspace, you need to rethink. Sometimes it can just stop you right in the middle of your work. Therefore, the more accurate you are, the better it is. And I found this to be really true when I'm programming. So let's try again a few times and see if it works better. So you can also add more words and so on and so forth. So from my experience, what I found was that starting slow is the best. Change, new, show, what, show, great, house, before, if, last, which, should, these, do also. So you might hear that I do have a mechanical keyboard, but a pro tip that I always find to be useful when typing is to get in a proper ergonomic stance or place to sit and the correct posture as well. This helps drastically. Right now I'm looking at my second monitor, and let's try again. So it's barely any any progress. Online you also have different games, and they make it as games, and in fact it can become addictive. I usually played it before, and nowadays I am not practicing or even warming up my typing much. Therefore, I'm quite slow, but you can try it and it can be interesting. There are a few different websites online, I think typing race or something like that, and you can actually race in real time against someone else. And the thing that I can tell you is it's pretty addictive. So let's try a game this time. And ideally, you want to be more accurate. You want to be more accurate than you want to prioritize accuracy rather than speed. Why? Because smooth, slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. Wow, quite hard. So I hope this video is useful. See you later.